Happy birthday, Andres Co! From your favorite ninong, Charis. Ang wish ko is lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos, madasalin, mabait.
Happy birthday, Andres! Happy birthday, Andres!
I could give it all away for free.
Birthday, Andres. Mag-aral kang mabuti, maging mabait na bata. Yun lang, I love you, Andres.
Maging mabuting mabata at maging successful in the future at maging mabuting anak sa sa parents mo, kay mami at daddy.
Rescue me, 'cause all I need is
Happy birthday, Andres! We love you! Yay!
I want the sunshine on my skin. I got myself packed.
Sana lumaki kang healthy, malusog, parang nanay mo. Huwag ka na maging lakayero parang tatay mo. Nasa iyo naman lahat ng kapaligid sa'yo. Nandito na lahat.
Yes.
Lumaki ka lang ng healthy ulit at masaya. Again, page ko, Tamara lang.
Dance around. I could give it all away.
Happy birthday, Andres. Mama loves you so much. Maging mabuting tao ka lang. Paglaki mo, maging marespeto sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo.
Don't need anything but don't want anything but
I'm very honored to be your ate and I will always look out for you. Happy first birthday, Andres. I love you.
need it.
I wish you never lose your smile, and I wish you to follow your dreams, whatever it may be. I also hope that as your namesake, Andres, you grow up brave and passionate, knowing how to help others. Happy birthday, Andres!
Ang pagpasok ng ating birthday family. So mga Ginoo at mga binibini, maaari po ba tayong magsitayo at bigyan ng malakas na palakpakan ang ating proud mom and proud dad, Daddy Eric, Mommy Angel, and Enrico Andres!